There's one rule that makes procrastination impossible. One shift that turns hesitation into action. Instantly. It's not about time. It's not about motivation. It's about the first step. Because once you move, your brain changes state. The chemistry flips. Dopamine rises. Energy flows. And the weight you felt disappears. But here's the catch. You have to move before you feel ready. Because waiting to feel ready is the most elegant form of procrastination. The brain loves comfort. It whispers, 5 more minutes. I'll start after lunch. I need to plan it first. Lies disguised as logic. But when you take action before your mind agrees, something powerful happens. You stop negotiating with fear. You take control back. Imagine this. Your to-do list is long, your motivation is gone, and your brain starts building walls of excuses. Now, take one small step. Open the book. Write the title. Stand up and move. That's it. You've broken the loop. The hardest part of anything is not doing it. It's starting. The moment you start, resistance dies. Momentum takes over. Because procrastination isn't laziness. It's energy trapped in hesitation. The rule is simple. Action first, thoughts later. Don't wait to feel like doing it. Act, and your feelings will catch up. Every time you move before the mind says no, you teach it something new. That discomfort isn't danger. That progress begins before clarity. So next time you hesitate, remember, you don't need the perfect plan. You don't need the spark. You need one movement, one push that tells your brain, we're already in motion. And once you move, procrastination has nowhere left to hide.